Hello everyone, welcome back to another lovely trading live stream. I thought this would be an interesting one just to trade live so you can kind of see what I'm looking at when trading the natural gas report. You do get this on Wednesday as well with the crude oil reports, but it doesn't seem to have that same reaction, and you'll see what I mean by that. Obviously at half 3 UK time, depending where you are, or half 10 market time, so New York time. This is when we start seeing natural gas tend to have a large spike either way, but it's usually a fadeable move. So that's something I'll be watching out for. Again, released in a few minutes now, but just wanted to make sure I was on here in time. And if anyone has any questions coming into it, you can ask any you need. But yeah, so it should be quite an easy trade. Again, for this, don't really use limit orders or anything. I tend to just do buy market, buy market and sell markets, and just getting for a quick move. Now, what are these levels I've done? So when you're looking, it's already starting to do a bit of a move in advance. Why, firstly, are those levels here? So these are levels, ideally, I want to see the stock move to, because these will provide me some good fade levels. But again, you get the majority of the move happen quite quickly. So if we don't see a move anywhere near these levels, then we know we're not going to be able to fade those areas. So what's going to be the key focus is if we see it spike down, but again quite slowly, or kind of just moves to here but then not much more happens, that 590 will be the fade, 5 minute 100 EMA, and then we can quickly go on to a longer term level as well and quickly see what that's looking like. Probably gone to a say well, I don't even know, say a 15-minute chart, quite quickly see where these levels are. Again, the same kind of locations. Look at that one as well. Again, we got about a minute and a half until it's ready. Again, quickly pull out maybe a 1 hour chart, start seeing where that is. And we can see some of them line up, so that actually will probably be the decent level to be looking at. So again, all we need to do is, just fade the move. Pretty easy. We've got about a minute now until the release. Can't see the exact time. Thought it always showed down there. Oh, anyway, we have it there. 30 seconds. And again, we should be done with this trade probably a minute from now. It's not a long trade. You're probably in the trade for a minute to two. Oh, sorry, not even a minute to two. Probably like probably 30 seconds, if that. 10 to 30 seconds is usually how long these trades last. Looking to do 2 contracts. Got enough margin for 4. So again, if I start seeing it slow down here, probably get in, or again, if it spikes to the upside, get in, and then I'll look to add if it kind of breaks through there for the bigger fade if it continues. So again, we're getting that move, going to the upside. Nothing, doesn't look great, I have to say. Doesn't look like there's going to be actually an opportunity. We'll see. 6. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to. We might spiking up a bit. There we go, shorted 2 coming into this level. Again, that key one. Now we're getting that big spike to the upside, really that key one then. Again, I can hold until this kind of move. Probably wouldn't actually be a bit far, but that would kind of be the main one I'd be looking at. But again, 2 contracts, smaller size because it didn't make a bigger move. So I don't go in with this big size, obviously, if there's not a bigger move to play. So really then my target is just going to be where the original move was. So if we place a target, I mean, we can just get it done automatically. Actually, we can just do it all by market, probably easy enough. Again, fading down, up about $1,000 so far, so quite an easy trade to take. Spiking back up, actually. Again, it could have been because it did do the initial fade. I guess it did kind of happen instantly. But again, you can usually wait for this retest. Looks like it's coming back down. Again, I might switch these to 1 contract and then close one at a time. That one's still in the money. That one was up 500, so I might as well just close that one out. Now it's going to be a risk-free trade because again, it did that initial fade instantly. It looks like it's pushing back up. So that's going to be my key focus. Is it going to continue back down? Now I've got to stop above that high. If it pushes back there, I want to be out. So again, just watch this. More hopeful though, well, not hopeful, but looking for that kind of push back down. To kind of around, say 6.010, and that's where we're looking to get out this last contract. just see where it can go from here. It's looking a bit more weak. Again, okay, actively moved my stop. My stop's now above this candle. Again, reason for that is my fill actually got done quite nice on the fill. The fill ended up coming in at 73. So I can still get out both contracts. Well, one's already closed, only holding one contract through. Oh, there we go. And close. Okay. Fills came through. Wasn't actually as nice as we liked. For some reason, it only ended up making up 410. Let's see what that close did on the second one then. So, oh no, that's why my entry was different to what I thought. I thought it said 73, it was 53. So this was my entry. 53 was my entry. Where were my two sell orders? They basically sold it the same. I had one at okay, that's why. Okay, that's why it didn't make much money. So that's where one of them filled and the other one filled there. So we barely made any of that move. Again, that is a kind of the risk of sometimes trading through using markets, but that's just a way of life, I guess. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the stream. Again, you just want to do the natural gas. We'll probably do this every week. But anyway, I'll see you in the videos later on today. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next stream.